Hello students, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to your English class. Today we will read about a new lesson, that is mongoose. Mongoose. Have you seen? I think all of you have seen mongoose. So mongoose is small animal, a kind of animal which are so small, but they are so brave also, because they fight against snake. They fight and they also easily kill snakes. So today we will go through this lesson, that is, what do you know about mongooses? Mostly mongoose is a kind of animal, small animal, and which mostly we see them in Asia, Africa and European countries. They also like to live together, and also they also live together and also like to hunt together, and they have quality to fight against snakes. So here in this story, in this lesson, what do you know about mongooses? We know different things. When we proceeded, we know different things and different qualities about mongooses. ଏଠି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛେ mongoose. mongoose ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ନେଉଳ. ତମେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ନେଉଳ. जोटे अति गोटे छोटिया एनिमल जी कि अति साहसी, से साहस सहित से कौन करे साप सहित लड़ाई करी साप को मारी दे पारे। आउ ए जो एनिमल गुड़िक मोस्टली से माने एकत्रित होकर गोटे जगह बसवास करती। आउ से जो शिकार अन्वेषण रे जाती से कौन करती शिकार करने एकाठी शिकार करने जाती और सब जाग्रत होकर रही था। शत्रु काले किए से आक्रमण कर से शत्रु मान कौन सी डेंजरस एनिमल जदि से अटैक करने से सब सजाग रही था। देख आम आगे जावा, ऑल ऑफ यू सी SCP-1. In SCP-1, now we will read the part. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a look out for dangerous hunting animals nearby, while poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks and with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Mongooses look very amazing and a common sight in many parts of Africa. They travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. And second passage, that is, they like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling, always on the lookout for danger, hawks, eagles. They warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. So hereby, in stanza number, in passage number, first, number 0.1 in this passage, some words are there to be clarified. They are hunt. First mongoose we have written, but hunt. Write down the words and their meanings also. Hunt, look out dangerous nearby. Nearby. Working. Working. Overrunning. Overrunning. Scratching. Scratching. Sharp. Claws. Amusing. Here, first, we shall clear this meaning of these words. Hunt. Hunt means what? Hunt means catch and kill other animals. Catch and kill animals. जोड़े की शिकार करना. Look out. Look out means to watch carefully. To watch carefully. Dangerous, something that causes to danger. Cause to danger. Danger. Nearby. Nearby and pakhare. Near. Walking means stretch. देखा एगुलिर ओडिया रे अर्थ बुझिनियो. Catch and kill animals. शिकार करबा. To watch carefully. सतर्क सहित नजर करबा. Cause to danger means किछि danger विपद आबाकु थिबा. Dangerous विपदपूर्ण. Nearby near पाखरे निकटरे. Walking हेबा means उंकी मारबा. ना कौन सी जगह को उंकी मारबा. उंकी मारबा. Then overturning that means olateva. Turn over. Overturning या olateva. Turn over और olateva. Scratching. Ampuriba. Joradi. Ampuriba. Scratching. Rubbing. Scratching means rubbing. Strangling. Ampuriba. Shark তীক্ষ্ণ next claws claws ଜାଣିଛ claws ହେଉଛି sharp nails पंजा जोड़े nails sharp nail ଯୁକ୍ତ animal ମାନଙ୍କର पंजा ଆମେ claws କରିବା amusing interesting आनंदप्रद amusing means बहुत जोड़ा के आनंददायक एतिक मीनिंग तापर पण और भी किछि अछि हमें पुणी आथि देखि नबा then twittering the sound that made by animals birds continuous sound kind of sound that made by animals and birds animals or birds then alone one alone means one to one सतर्क suspicious that means which is suspecting or which is the thing which is suspected to be suspected suspect means अनुमान करना अंदाज करना अंदाज करेगा so then after now we will explain the portion and which is so here mongooses like to hunt together mongooses always like to stay together and also hunt together se mane ekत्रित hi रहिया भल पांती आ हंट मध्ये करबा को बा शिकार करबा को एकठी भाबरे से पसंद करती but they always keep a look out for dangerous hunting animals nearby किंतु सेमाने सबुबले जाग्रत थांती तांका निकटरे कौनसी प्रकार सेमानकु आघात कला भलिया कौनसी डेंजरस एनिमल आक्रमण कला भलिया अछंती कि सेतिपति सेमाने सबुबले सजाग थांती। While poking their noses into holes, जेतेबेले सेमाने निजर गात भितरे सेमाने रहंती से गात भितर को सेमाने मुहा मारंती बा सेमाने उंकी मारंती सेमाने गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग गोटे देखियो को मिले कोन overturning rocks and with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Now overturning rocks with their paws सेमानकर paws रे सेमाने कोन करंती तांकर पादरे जोड़ा को सेमानकर गोड़रे पादरे बा सेमाने सब स्टोन्स गुडी बा रॉक्स गुडी को सेमाने सब कोन करंती ओवरटर्न करंती माने टर्न करंती घुंचे दियंती ठेली दियंती and scratching the ground with their sharp claws तापर सेमाने माटी को कोन रबिंग करथांती बा आंकी थांती सेते mongooses look very amusing na mongooses look very amusing they are so interesting so small animals and their activities that is very interesting to watch. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. एठार कोआगला a common sight एटा गोटे साधारण दृश्य कोन in many parts of Africa महादेश रे गोटे साधारण दृश्य कोन दृश्य they travel they means mongooses travel groups of about 20 to look for beetles सेमान ग्रुप हेकी दल हेकी गोटे गोटे जगह को यात्रा करथांती कोन बाय इन सर्च ऑफ देयर फूड what are the things are their food their foods they mostly eat beetles and millipedes and other small creatures. Hereby meaning of beetles small insects small insects छोटा छोटा पोको जोड़ा कीट पोक तुम देखि भर टाइप पोक सब से गुड़ा से सर्च करके फूड भाग से खाती मिलीपेड्स तुम देख गोटे प्रकार पोक वर्षा बहुत सारा बाहर जोड़ा कि गोटे मैंने कहुए कौन गोटे प्रकार सी भी गोटे इनसेक्ट जोड़ा हम कौ ओडिया तेलुणी पोक कहू clear then other small creatures and other small insects they also eat them. Then point number 2 that is they like to hunt together they also like to stay together and also hunt together and keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks and bushes by twittering and calling सेमाने जेतेबेले सेमाने हंट करंती हंटिंग रे जानती सेतेबेले सेमाने ग्रुप हेकी जानती सेमाने जदि कोनोसी जने जदि सेमान को ग्रुप टिके टिके दूर को गला किबा कोनोसी बुश आडुआ रही गला बुद्धा आडुआ किबा कोनोसी तांका नजर टिके दूरे ही पड़े गला ताहले सेमाने कोन करंती ता बाकी सब बेले तांको जोगाजोग रखली केमति भाबरे ट्विटरिंग करकी आ कॉलिंग करकी सेमान को साउंड रे सेमाने अन्य मान तांकर सांग मान को डाकंती और साउंड करके सेमाने जणे दियंती और जोगाजोग रक्षा करंती always on the look out for danger ना सेमाने सब बेले जागृत थांती सेमानकर डेंजर कौन फेस करते काले कौन सी बाढ़ अच्छी कौन बड़ बड़ बाढ़ जोड़ा कि ईगल हॉक्स जोड़ा चिल छंचाण ये सब पक्षी जिते आसी से आक्रमण करती से उठे भी नहीं जाती से सब जागृत था दे वार्न वन अनदर विथ ए स्पेशल अलार्म जितेबाला से देखते ये आक्रमणकारी कौन सी बाढ़ जदि से आक्रमण करने आसूची से जड़े जन को स्पेशल अलार्म दे माने सतर्क कर स्पॉट एनीथिंग सस्पिशियस जोड़ा से हम सन्देह हुए कौन सी प्रकार बड़ बड़ पक्षी सब आसिक जो चिल छंचाण हम जो कहू से ईगल से गुड़ा सब आसिक से आक्रमण करने निजे कौन करती आलार्म अन्न को दे दिखती अन्न को सतर्क कर दिखती आजे सब सजग होती ये आम पार्ट SCB1 टा आम गला आमर ये अच्छी कि क्वेश्चन अच्छी नाउ वी प्रोसीड टू आवर क्वेश्चन So there are some questions. What are the paras about? Number one question. All of you write down in your copy. Then number two question, that is both paras means 1 and 2 paras. There are 2 paras nearby passages, and both the paras talk about one very common nature of mongooses. And what is that common nature? Means that is what is the question is here, why? What is the common nature of mongooses? What are the common nature? Is the common nature of mongoose. Then number 3 question. Mongoose do 2 kinds of things. In other words, their activities of or works can be divided into 2 kinds. What are they? What are the 2 activities mongoose do? Here the question is. It is mongoose So number 4 question. Here very fast we will discuss these 3 questions and then after we will proceed ahead. So what are the paras about? The paras are about the common nature of mongoose. The common nature. Some nature which are very common to them. The paras are about paras means 2 paras, 1 and 2. There are 2 passages. So we write the paras are about common nature of mongooses. Then number 2 question, what is the common nature of mongooses? कौन थिला से common nature mongooses रो? They hunting together and also they live together. The common nature. The common nature of mongooses, they are hunting together. And another one, what are the activities mongoose do? The activities mongoose, the activities there are 2 activities. They live together and also hunt together. These are the 2 activities. Besides these questions, some other questions are there, and you practice these questions and write down in your copies up to question number 10, comprehension questions. Clear? Now we will stop our class. Thank you everybody.